Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this math Olympiad problem. A to the power 8 minus 88 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed. Solutions. Questions have given 8 to the power 8 minus 88 is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube because 2 cube are same as 8 whole to the power this 8 minus 88. Now we know an exponential formula. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So apply this formula. We can write here 2 to the power 3 times 8 is 24 minus this 88 is equal to, now 2 to the power 24 can be written as 20 plus 4 minus this 88 is equal to, again we know an exponential rule, 2 to the power a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So apply this formula. We can write 2 to the power 20 times 2 to the power 4 minus this 88 is equal to 2 to the power, now 20 can be written as 10 times 2 minus times 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus this 88 is equal to, now apply this formula. We can write 2 to the power 10 whole square times 16 minus 88 is equal to, now we know that 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024 whole square times 16 minus 88 is equal to, now 1024 can be written as 1000 plus 24 whole square times 16 minus 88 is equal to, now here we can use a algebraic formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 1000 square plus 2 times 1000 times 24 plus 24 square times this 16 minus this 88 is equal to, now 1 square, that means 1 with 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros plus 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4 with 3 zeros plus, we know 24 square, that means 24 times 26, so 24 times 24, that means 576 times this 16 minus 88 is equal to, now adding this three number 6 0 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, now this 10 times this 16 minus 88 is equal to 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 times this 16 can be written as 10 plus 6 minus 88 is equal to, now 1 times this number we will get same number 104856. now this 0 plus, now 6 times 6 is 36, so here we will write 6, 3 will be go. Now 6 times 7 is 42, 42 plus 3 is 45, so we can write here 5, here we will get 4. now 6 times 5 is 30, 30 plus 4 is 34, we can write 4, here 3. now 6 times 8 is 48, 48 plus 3 is 51, here we can write 1. now 6 times 4 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29, here we can write 9. now 6 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. now 6 times 1 is 6 minus this 88 is equal to, now add this two number, here we will get 1 6 7 7 7 2 1 6 minus this 88. now here we can write 1 6 7 7 7 1 2 8, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.